What is good, my babes? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to be filming this little review because I love DIY beauty. DIY beauty is so much more affordable. You don't have to go to any appointments, and it just saves you money and time. What can beat it? So today we are testing out the Kiss Falscara. This is supposed to give you kind of the same appearance and longevity as Lash Extensions. So in today's review, I'm gonna go over first initial impressions of application, how I apply it, and then I'm gonna update you guys over the next few days and let you guys know how they're looking, you know, if they're falling out, looking crazy, all of that. And then I'm also gonna talk about removal because I think a lot of people do not know how to remove these correctly. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your feedback and if there's anything else you want me to test out. But yeah, let's get into application. So I want to just go over everything I got. Everything is from Amazon and I'll have it linked in the description box below. So obviously I got the Kiss Falscara Lash Bond. So you just apply the lash bond to your lashes, put on the fake lashes, and then there's a sealant on the other side and you kind of like seal everything in place, okay? I also got 2 packs of trios. These are gonna be a little too dramatic for everyday wear, so I think I'm gonna go in with these and see how I like the length of these. And then we're also gonna go over removal because a lot of people were giving me feedback saying they're really, really hard to remove. And you guys, I wanna be very clear. This is no just, you know, regular lash application. This is a glue bond, so you have to be very careful with, you know, taking them off. You can't just peel them up like regular lash glue, you know, that sometimes hurts a little bit, but this is like super glue. This is like Gorilla Glue. So you have to be a little bit more gentle with removing them or else you will pull out real lashes. So this is the Kiss Falscara Remover. This claims to, you know, act as kind of a bond remover. Let me bring you guys in a little closer. Come here. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, it says step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of the bond on the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. I kind of want to map out where they're gonna go. So here's how the wand looks. Really small. I like that it's pretty controlled. I said a little goes a long way, so I think that's enough for this one. And then make sure your mirror is underneath you. I'm just kind of trying to press them together, okay? And then we're gonna, so that was a short one. Now I'm gonna do 2 mediums, I think, maybe 3. Easy. Okay, so letting it get kind of tacky is gonna help. I would only go 1 at a time though because I think that gives you a little bit more control. I'm gonna brush them out a little bit once we get done, but here's how they're looking so far. And people were like complaining about not being able to reuse like the trios, and again, like we can't peel this off. This is not going to come off like regular glue, so you're gonna have to wet them down, you know, with water and the remover, so they're not going to come off like regular strip lashes would. I don't think they'll hold their shape as well. But the great thing is if you are new at lashes, application is so freaking easy. Plus, these are way more comfortable than regular lashes. You won't feel these. Anytime you put fake lashes underneath your natural lash line, you're not gonna feel it, so. Okay. Here's how they're looking. All right. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more like right here. But anyways, let's go through it again. Short, 4 mediums, and another short. That's what I ended up doing. Oh, and then I think I stacked a 5th medium on top of those other ones. I'm gonna let these dry down just a little bit more and then I'll go in with the sealant. So let's do the other side. God, I suck at this. Sorry you guys, I forgot to turn it back on. Okay, I got 2 on, short, medium. We're going in with another medium. Okay, this one's cool. Let me brush it out a little bit. Nothing's like pulling out, and I'm pulling at my lashes kind of hard, like with the same strength I would pull at them with like lash extensions. Yeah, I would say it's looking pretty good. I'm not mad at them. They're very natural, a little bit more natural than what I prefer, but if you like, you know, like a regular full set of lashes, not volume, you just like the standard length, this is probably pretty close to what you're used to. So I'm gonna let this one dry, seal it, brush it out, and then we will come back with my final thoughts. Okay, here is how they came out, you guys. They look very, very natural. I'm used to more of like a full glam lash, so this is sitting very natural on me. It's nice though, you know, it feels super comfortable, no stickiness. That sealant really works. So yeah, I will check back tomorrow, the next few days, and let you guys know how everything is holding up, and then we will obviously talk about removal later. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I wanted to show you guys real quick how I plan on taking off my eye makeup around my lashes just to preserve them. Q-tip and oil-free makeup remover. So yeah, just get really close right in there and then wash the rest of your face as normal. Okay, I'm doing my makeup. Here's the eyelashes. No lifting from what I can tell. They're hanging in there pretty good. So yeah, day 2, we're doing good. Don't mind my lips. Casket ready. You guys, here is day 3 of the lashes. The 2 corner ones fell off, so those ones were the first to go. One fell off yesterday and then the next one fell off this morning, but the other ones seem to be hanging in there. So I'll keep you updated. I'll probably only leave them on for about 2 more days, or until like a middle piece falls off or they start looking crazy, and then we'll do the removal and see how well that goes. So you guys, okay, I think it's day 4, I want to say, and 2 of the clusters right here fell out, so I think it's time to try and take this off. Okay, we're gonna get some better lighting. Sorry if my face looks kind of fucked up because I was popping pimples. Okay, so we're gonna try the Falscara eyelash remover. All of the eyelashes that fell out just kind of literally fell out. I didn't have to tug at them or anything. So, and I really don't recommend tugging at these lashes because, again, it's a bond. It's like super glue. So it's gonna rip out your regular lashes. Let's see if this removes the glue from like my lashes and then the other lashes that are still stuck on here. Okay. So it says directions: shake well before using, saturate a cotton pad with remover in place on eye, hold for 10 seconds, gently wipe away wisps and bond and seal. Repeat as needed. Boo, 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 boo. One came out, okay. I'm gonna take a little and kind of work it into the lash line. I think I can get a little bit more control that way. Yeah, that's working a little bit better. I'm using just a little Q-tip. So my lashes are looking hella clumpy. So I'm gonna really saturate this again and try and like, the glue is almost gone. There's a little bit in the corner still, but if you just wipe down, yeah, that took it right off. Okay. Pretty easy. Let's do the next one. Okay, you guys, it's a few days later and I'm editing the video and I realized I forgot to give you guys kind of my final wrap-up opinion of the Kiss Falscara lash system. So overall, I really liked it. I thought it was super beginner friendly. It's even easier than applying regular old strip lashes. You just apply a little of like the mascara glue, stick it on underneath your lash, and it holds. It holds for days, which is really nice. I think this is really great for beginners, especially if you're not even used to applying regular false lashes. This should be no problem for you. As far as removal, I don't feel like it tugged out any of my eyelashes. I felt like the ones that fell out naturally, you know, they weren't like tugging on any of my eyelashes. And when I went to remove them, no eyelashes fell out. So the removal was easy peasy for me. You know, you have to be gentle with your eyes and your lashes, but make sure you are buying the Falscara remover. Regular old eye makeup remover is not gonna work, and you do not want to be peeling these up because I promise it will rip out your regular eyelashes. So get the remover when you pick up the Falscara, but overall, it was easy breezy. I loved it. For the video, I got the IMV short and medium length trios. After the video was done, I ended up ordering the long and extra long IMV trios, and those are in the mail, so that's what I'm gonna be using for my vacation. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely use this over my vacation. It's gonna be great for, you know, like natural, no makeup days where I just want a little, you know, extra lash. It's gonna make getting ready in the morning really easy. I don't have to worry about applying fake lashes. I just really love the idea. So if it's something you've been thinking about trying, I would definitely give it a try. Just make sure to also get the remover because it will start looking crazy after a few days. Mine held on for a solid 3 days, and then by day 4 I had some falling off, but overall I didn't mind the way they were falling out. And when I'm on vacation, I'll just bring the Falscara and I'll apply a little bit and reapply the trio. No biggie, super easy to do. And yeah, overall I thought it was really fun to test this out. Let me know if there are any other DIY beauty products you want me to test out. I am game for it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know if you guys have any other questions for me. Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also, all of the products I used in today's video are linked in the description box, along with the lashes I have on order coming in the mail. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Aside from my soul.